One Saturday afternoon, two sisters decided to make pizza. It sounded simple and fun. But what happened in the kitchen was a little different. Stay with me, because this story is full of mistakes, laughter, and new English words. One day, Anna and her sister Emma wanted to cook dinner. They decided to make pizza. It sounded easy and fun. So they went to the kitchen. First, they looked for the ingredients. They found flour, water, and yeast. Emma said,
I know how to make dough.
She put flour into a big bowl. Anna added too much water. The dough became very wet and sticky. They laughed.
Okay, let's try again,
said Anna. This time, they mixed slowly. The dough was better, but very hard. Emma used her hands, but it was like a rock.
Maybe pizza is not so easy,
she said. After 20 minutes, the dough was ready. Now it was time for the sauce. Anna opened a can of tomatoes. But when she turned on the blender, the sauce went everywhere. On the table, on the floor, even on her shirt. Emma laughed so much that she almost cried. Finally, they put the sauce on the dough. Then they added cheese. Anna loved cheese, so she put too much. Emma said,
Stop. It's not pizza, it's just cheese bread.
They put the pizza in the oven. But after 10 minutes, they smelled something strange. Smoke came from the oven. Emma opened the door, and the pizza was black on the sides.
Oh no, we burned it,
shouted Anna. They were very hungry, so they tried the pizza anyway. It was crunchy, salty, and a little bit burnt. Not perfect, but funny. In the end, Anna said,
Next time, we order pizza.
Emma laughed and agreed. It was not the best dinner, but it was the best memory. Let's look at some new words from the story. These words will help you speak about food, cooking, and daily life. Dough. A soft, thick mixture of flour and water that you bake into bread or pizza. Example: the pizza dough was too sticky. I need to knead the dough for 10 minutes. To knead. To press and fold dough with your hands. She kneaded the dough on the table. Sticky. Something that stays on your hands or is hard to remove. The dough was sticky and messy. Burnt. Cooked too long. Black and hard. The pizza was burnt in the oven. Oven. A machine in the kitchen where you bake food. I put the pizza in the oven. To spill. When liquid accidentally falls somewhere. She spilled tomato sauce on the floor. Messy. Not clean. Disorganized. The kitchen was messy after cooking. If you enjoyed this story and you learned new words, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for more easy English stories.